If you are looking for your 4,000 watch hours, hey, I have found a wonderful strategy that works. My amazing YouTube family, this one is going to work. I am currently doing this. It's working for me and it is super easy, especially my second point. And it is the third point that will also help you to fast track this process. So don't miss out on any of these things. Let everybody grow together. Okay, so the very first thing I want to talk about is your live streaming. Henceforth, I'll start live streaming every day. Live streaming is important to Bikono. Even if you have 50 subscribers, you can start live streaming. As small as 50 subscribers, you can start live streaming. And if you want to quickly get your 50 subscribers, maybe you just started on YouTube and you want to get it sharp, just 50. Oh, I did not say the 1,000, just 50. If you want to get it, one way, one very fast way that you can use to get your 50 subscribers in like 1 day or 2 days is this. Just go to any comment section for any video that is doing very well and tell them this is the particular content that I create. If you want to connect with me, then let's do this together. And vibes on vibes, let's subscribe to our channels, okay, just to get your first 50. Please, after you get your first 50, please continue the organic way that I've always told you about. Do you understand? Now, once you get your own 50 subscribers, start your live stream immediately. Like, start it immediately. And it is very easy to go live on YouTube. I even explained it on one of my videos. It is very, very easy to go live. Just press your plus button and then bam, just start immediately. And if you even want to attract more viewers, because I know some people have been complaining in my live streams that they don't get views when they decide to go live. If you want to get views for your or attract people to your live stream, one thing that you can do is to create a good thumbnail for your live stream. You'll see that there are some people that do their live streams and it's just their profile picture you are seeing there as the thumbnail. Don't do that. In order for you to create a good thumbnail for your live stream, go over to Canva. Go over to Canva. Just type YouTube thumbnail. Bam! It is going to bring out different thumbnails for you. Now just go ahead and put a live stream element. It is very easy to do. Just go to your Canva. On the bottom side, you're going to see element. Maybe I'm going to put it on the screen so you can understand better. Click on that element. Click on live stream. Put it there. Put a very attractive topic that people will see and want to watch. Something that is also related. Remember, I always say something that is related to your niche. Am I talking too fast? Okay, so something that is actually related to your niche. Take it and put it there and make it bold. Those are some of the things that help your thumbnails. Don't worry, I'm still going to do a tutorial on thumbnail itself, okay? Make it bold and then just save it on your phone gallery. Once it's time for you to go live, click on your plus button. Before you go live, you're going to see one edit icon there. Click on it. Put your thumbnail there. Bam, go live. Once you go live, start talking. Whether people have joined or not, start talking. And sometimes you don't even know people that are actually already watching you. Do you understand? So don't feel discouraged. Once you just start your life, start talking about your niche. If it is tutorials, you can write yourself questions down that you'll be answering one after the other before people come. And once people start coming, hey, you can now start engaging them. Now, that is the very first thing. Live stream will get you watch hours, but you need the second tip I want to talk about in order for you to be able to get more. Because one thing I've noticed about live stream is you can stream for 1 hour and you just get 0 point something watch hours. The reason is because the way YouTube calculates its watch hours for live stream is by the number of people that come and the duration that they stay. That's why when you finish a particular live stream, you're going to see how many views, people that actually related, then the average view duration. So that's what it's going to use to calculate its watch hours. Let me just go over to my second point. So now that you've done your live stream, Abby, now the second thing you want to do, this one, you can do it for both your live streams, you can do it for your videos. Once you're done with your live stream, now go and meet your friends.
Both family members, non-family members, neighbors, church members. Give them the name of your channel. Don't send them the link. Just give them the name of your channel. Beg them to help you search for your channel. Then
you want to tell them 2 things. Number 1, help me to stream this playlist. I'm going to tell you an easy way that will make them want to help you actually. Do you understand? So just calm down. I told you that this thing is sweet. It will help you to quickly get your 4,000 watch hours. Once you send to a lot of people, you now tell them that you're going to please help me to stream this overnight. Now the reason is people have what they are doing. So they will not just come and sit down and start streaming when they know they want to use their phones or their laptops for what they want to do. But don't worry. You now tell them that do it overnight, then you can do it with night sub, because some people want to complain to you that what of my data, what of my this, so nothing is being affected, so they can just do it with their night subscription. And how much is night subscription? How much? Maybe 200 naira. 200 for how many gig? I think 2 gig or so. Do you understand? So you, in fact, you can decide to send them the 200 naira airtime. Share is airtime you want, and it's just as cheap as 200 naira. Do you understand? So if it's in other, those that are watching me, because I know I have viewers from other countries. So if you're watching me from other countries, you can do the same. I think some of you have free Wi-Fi or something. You can do the same, and it even makes it easier for you people. But for my Nigerian people, you can just do the night sub. Then you tell them that overnight you're going to live stream, but use this hack. You're going to tell them to use this when they want to live stream. You know, if you go to your YouTube, up the right corner, you're going to see a settings icon there. Now that settings icon, go to the list. I think it is 2x. Tell them to go there because it is going to drag your video. So let's assume you have a video of let me just say 1 minute. If you drag it to 2 times slower, that means you are getting a watch time of, let's assume that your 1 minute is supposed to give you a 1 minute watch time. If they drag it to like 2 times, it's going to give you a 2 minutes watch time instead of 1 minute. So it's like you're doubling your watch hour. So now imagine your live stream is up to 1 hour, 2 hours, and they're just streaming overnight. They're sleeping while streaming for you. Do you understand? So you should just keep playing and to be doubling, doubling, doubling. Now imagine how many people, if you told 10 people, 20 people, you know how much watch hour is going to be generating for you. And it is legit. It is legit. So you tell them to watch it. The playback speed, they should increase it to that one that will give you, that will make your video very slow. They should put it, shade they are sleeping when doing it, and they are using night soap, so they should do it. That is for your live stream. Now you're going to create a playlist for all these live streams that you've done. Put everything inside the playlist so that it will be very easy for them to just stream everything at once. So imagine all your playlists would accumulate to like 10 hours. They'll just be able to stream everything like that. Isn't this sweet to hear? So you just do that one. Now, remember you're also doing it for yourself with your other accounts, your other phones. Then, after you've done that, you now share them again. Playlist for your own videos. You know the one you shared initially was playlist for your live stream. Now, playlist for your own video. You're also going to create and share to them and tell them the same thing. Playback speed, the one that would drag your video the most, that is the 2x on YouTube. The one that would drag it the most and make it very slow. So you are doubling your watch hour by per one viewer. One viewer. Now this third one, you will now start uploading. Consistent uploading. Consistent uploading. But don't just upload like that. Upload value because people want value. Upload whatever it is that is related to your niche also. I will always say that because it's actually very good. Aside this one that I'm talking about, it's actually very good. So that once you start gaining subscribers, more viewers and all of that, once your videos start going viral, people will have your channel will even be organized. Do you understand? So you start uploading consistently. As you're uploading consistently, you're adding to the playlist. As you're uploading consistently, you're adding to the playlist and keep reminding your friends every night. They should just be able to stream. So be reminding them. You understand? If they've streamed to this particular point, the next day they can continue from here to here. The next day they can continue from here to here. And before you know it, you'll just be waking up every morning. Remember that every morning you'll be going to check your YouTube watch hour. So you go there, check, you see that it has increased. Go there, check, you see that it has increased. Before you know it, my dear, you will get your 4,000 hours. Very legit and very easy. If you've not liked at this point, see, on this YouTube channel, I always share whatever it is that works. Something, my own honest review, my own honest truth from my own experience and from what I've seen people do that is really helping them. Do you understand? That is what I will share. So if you're not subscribed, it's good to subscribe now. In fact, turn on your post notification. There's some of my viewers that are actually doing that already, and I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all your efforts, okay? So turn on your post notification. So as soon as I drop one, you get, I enjoy this particular video and start doing this. Let me know in the comment section if you've started doing this already, or when you want to start doing this, okay? And remember, you can do it now. Don't procrastinate this. Time waits for nobody. You can start earning your watch hours as soon as possible. Do you understand? And please, if you're watching anybody's video in the comment section and you want to do this vibes on vibe that I told you in order to get your first 50 subscribers, please at least do them the favor of watching their videos to the end, because you are actually affecting their videos by doing that. So please watch. If it's even my own video, Just try to watch it to the end, and then you can do your sub for sub or something, but just for your first 50 subscribers, and tell them they are subscribing because they want to watch this particular content, so that you get the right people to subscribe, people, so that you are killing two birds with one stone by doing that. Do you understand? So even as they are subscribing, you know that there are people that are actually interested in what you do. So whenever you upload any video, they would want to watch. That is my own honest answer, honest strategy for you to be able to get your 4,000 watch hours fast. Don't worry, as I'm getting more tips and strategies and hacks, I'll keep bringing to you here. Have you watched my other hacks from this video? If you've not, do that now. Like this video so it can reach more people. I wish you all success on your channels, and I'll see you on my next video or my next live stream. Always look out for it. Bye.